iPhone randomly restarting or respringing on iOS 26? Here are 13 fixes that actually work, from the quickest to the most thorough, step by step.
First, know the problem. A restart is a full reboot. The screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. A respring is quicker, a black screen with a small spinner for a second or two. Then you are back on the lock screen. Neither shows an error message, and that is normal. Both are usually fixable in software.
Fix 1, force restart. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding even if a slide to power off slider appears. Release only when the Apple logo shows. The phone reboots and nothing is erased.
Fix 2. Charge it and check your power setup. Plug in with the original or Apple certified cable and wait 15 to 30 minutes. Try another adapter, cable, or MagSafe. If the port is dirty, turn the phone off and clean it gently with a non-conductive pick. Never metal. And if it only dies while charging, suspect the charger, not the phone.
Fix 3. Update iOS. Go to Settings General, Software Update, and tap Download and Install if an update is available. Stay on Wi-Fi and power, the phone restarts on its own. Apple's point releases fixed most of the iOS 26 restart and respring bugs. The latest is iOS 26.6.
Fix 4. Free up storage. Open Settings General, iPhone storage, and keep at least 5 to 10 gigabytes free. Turn on Offload Unused Apps. It keeps your data and delete the big apps and large videos. A full drive can panic and reboot.
Fix 5. Check battery health. In Settings, Battery. iOS 26 redesigned the screen. Tap Battery Health and Charging. If maximum capacity is below 80%, the battery needs service. Enable optimized battery charging or an 80% limit to slow degradation.
Fix 6. Cool it down. Remove the case, stop charging, get out of direct sunlight, and close heavy apps. Wait for the iPhone needs to cool down screen to clear. Heat is a top trigger for unexpected shutdowns.
Fix 7. Update or remove problem apps. Open the App Store, tap your profile, and choose Update All. If the restart started after an app install or update, long press the icon, choose Remove App, then Delete App. Remove its widgets too. They are a suspected respring trigger.
Fix 8. Wi-Fi and network workarounds. The iOS 26.0 idle reboot bug on iPhone 17 was tied to Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi off in Control Center and test for a day. Turn off Wi-Fi calling under Cellular. Try another network if you use a mesh router, and switch off Background App Refresh under General.
Fix 9. Reset all settings. Go to Settings General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. No data or media will be deleted. Your photos and apps stay. You will just re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and repair accessories.
Fix 10. Erase all content and settings. Backup first, then Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings and enter your passcode and Apple ID password. Set the phone up as new. Don't restore the old backup at first. This is the reported fix when a corrupted backup carries the bug.
Fix 11. Restore in recovery mode. Connect to a Mac with Finder or a PC with Apple devices or iTunes. Press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Connect to Computer screen appears. Click Update to reinstall iOS and keep your data, or Restore to erase everything. Don't disconnect until it finishes.
Fix 12. DFU Restore, the deepest reinstall. Connect to a computer, Then press volume up, volume down. Hold the side button for 10 seconds. Add volume down for 5, then release side while keeping volume down for 10. The screen must stay black if the Apple logo appears. You missed DFU. So repeat. Then restore. If it still restarts after a clean DFU restore, it is hardware.
Fix 13. Read the panic logs. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements, Analytics Data, Search Panic, and open the newest panic full entry. Apple Centauri Alpha, or WDT, means a software bug, update and report it. TG0B, PRS0, or thermal monitored means hardware, book a service. The Apple Support app can also run remote diagnostics.
Why does this happen? Mostly iOS bugs from the early 26-point releases, now patched. Full storage, a weak battery, overheating, and problem apps cause the rest. Hardware faults show up in the panic logs. Here's the full list, easy to hard. Force restart, charge and check power, update iOS, free up storage, check battery health, cool it down, remove problem apps, Wi-Fi workarounds, reset all settings, erase all content and settings, recovery mode restore, DFU restore, and panic log diagnostics. Most people are done by Fix 5.
If nothing worked on iOS 26.6, it is most likely hardware, battery, sensors, or the logic board. Book a diagnostic with Apple support or an authorized provider. Back up early and report bugs at feedback@apple.com. If this helped, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.